3, 2, 1. We have ignition and liftoff of Aquarius and the SAC-D Observatory on an international mission to study Earth's salty...
Minute mark as we're standing by for solid burnout. Chamber pressure beginning to drop in the solids. We have burnout. We'll be holding on. Chamber pressure has decreased. We have MECO standing by for VECO. We have VECO standing by for 1-2 SEP. And we have separation standing by for ignition. And we have ignition on the second stage. Second stage chamber pressures are rising. Good steady state level